everyone, welcome to English online class. I'm Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. Children, I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. In the last class, we were discussing the first lesson from the second semester English textbook, that is Padmini. I hope you all remember the story. Who is Padmini? Padmini is an elephant. Okay, children, you read the lesson once more. Today we will continue the lesson and we will discuss the grammar session from our textbook. It is very simple portion. Okay, children, if I give a topic, are you able to write sentences? Yes, I know in exams you are able to write different sentences with a single topic. If I give a topic like your garden or your last vacation, you are able to write simple sentences in different tenses. Is it? So today we are going to learn about tenses in English. Before that, children, can you read this sentence? What is it? Yes, Alina helped her grandma. What is the sentence? Alina helped her grandma. Then, what is the subject, verb and object of the sentence? What is the subject? Subject is the person, place, thing or idea that is doing the action. Here, who is doing the action? Yes, Alina. What she did? Yes, she helped her grandma. So here, Alina is the person who is doing the action. So, Alina is the subject. Then, what is the verb in the sentence? What is the verb in the sentence? What is verb? Verb is the word that expresses what that action is. Verb is the action word. Here in this sentence, what is the verb? Yes, helped. It is the verb in the sentence. Then, next comes the object. What is the object of the sentence? It is whoever or whatever receives that action is the object. Here, who is receiving the action? Yes, grandma receiving the help from Alina. So here, grandma is the object. So, subject is Alina, verb is helped and object is grandma. So, this is the basic form of an English sentence. Subject, verb, object. Subject is the person who is doing the action. Verb is the action word. And object is the person or things that receives the action. What is a tense in English? How we can understand the tense of a sentence? We can understand the tense of a sentence through the verb or the action word used in that sentence. What is this action word? Yes, verb. Okay, so this verb shows the time when an action is occurred. Here you can see some sentences. I spoke English yesterday. I speak English every day. I will speak English tomorrow. In these three sentences, we can see the verb speak. In the first sentence, we can understand that I spoke English yesterday. This action is already happened. It's not that action is not happening right now or it is not going to happen from the next moment. No, it is already happened. So that is in the past. So this sentence is in past tense. Spoke is the past tense of speak. So this first statement is in past tense. See the next one. I speak English every day. So this action is happening all the time. It happened in current situation. Right now, I speak English. Okay, I speak English and this is in a habit also. Okay, so this sentence is in present tense. It's happening in present time. Every day, it's happening every day. So that is present tense. And the next one, I will speak English. I will speak English. Is at I'm speaking English right now? No, I will speak from tomorrow. So that action is not happen right now and it will happen in future. So this statement is in future tense. So this verb tense shows how an action is related to the flow of time. So children, in English mainly there are 3 tenses. Which are they? Past tense, present tense and future tense. These are the basic tenses in English. There are subsections also, but this is the basic one. Now let us re-examine the tense simple present tense. He plays cricket. They play cricket. I play cricket. Gita plays cricket. So all these sentences are in present tense, simple present tense, okay? And how we can understand that? Through the verbs used in these sentences, like plays, play, play and plays, okay? And what are the subjects in these sentences? He, they, I and Gita. So these are the subjects and the next one is verb. In this verb we can see S is added with the base form of the verb, which means play is the base form of a verb and we add S and then become plays. But we can see the word plays with he and Gita. See children, we'll add S or ES or IES with the verbs when the subject is only in singular. Okay, we do not add S, ES or IES with the verb when the subject is in plural. Here, he and Gita are singular subjects, so we add S with the base form of the verb, which means play become plays, and they is a plural word, so we do not add S with the verb. And there is an exception, that I. We will not add S, ES or IES with the I also. Okay? So children, I hope you understood the 3 different sentences in English. Today we will learn more about simple present tense. Children, where we can use simple present tense? First one, something that is true in the present. We use simple present tense, something that is true in the present. See the examples. My uncle lives in Goa. What is the sentence? My uncle lives in Goa. What is the verb in the sentence? Lives. Very good. So here lives is in the past tense. It shows that something is true. My uncle lives in Goa. That is a true statement. Let's see another example. He sings song. He sings song. Here what is the verb? Sings. Very good. It is the action word. He sings song. So the verb sings is in present form. It shows that something is true. Here he sings song. That is true. Let's see another one. She never forgets her umbrella. She never forgets her umbrella. Here what is the verb? Yes, forgets. It is the present form of the verb. So here we can see that this statement is true. Here She never forgets her umbrella. That is a true statement. So this statement is in simple present tense. Next one, number 2, that is we use simple present tense when the things that are always true. The things that are always true. For example, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Here what is the verb? Rises. Very good. Here we can understand the verb rises is in simple present tense. It shows that something that are always true. The sun always rises in the east. This is a true statement. So simple present tense we use to show the true statements also. Let's see another example. Cats like milk. Cats like milk. Here what is the verb? Like. Very good. Cats like milk. This is true, isn't it? Yes, cats always like milk. Let's see another example. Kerala is in India. Kerala is in India. This is a true statement. It is always true, isn't it? Kerala is in India. That is true. Okay, here what is the verb? Is. Is the verb in this sentence. It is in present tense. Okay, children? And the third one, we use simple present tense when something that happens again and again. Something that happens again and again. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. So here the action is wake up. It happens every day. So this is an action happens again and again. So this is in simple present tense. Okay, let's see another one. My father goes to church every day. My father goes to church every day. Here the action is goes. It is in present tense. Okay, and this action happens every day, isn't it? It happens every day. So this is also in simple present tense. Let us see one more example. I run every weekend. I run every weekend. Here run is the verb. It is in simple present tense, isn't it? Yes, and it happens every time. It happens in every weekend. I run every weekend. This action happens again and again. So this is another form of simple present tense. So in all these situations, we use simple present tense. What is the first one? Something is true in the present. Second one, that is something that always true. Third one, something that happens again and again. In all these situations, we use simple present form. Okay, let us see some more examples. I play tennis. I play tennis. Here, what is the verb? Play. Play is the present form of the verb. Next sentence. Do they write? Do they write? Next sentence. The party starts at 8 o'clock. The party starts at 8 o'clock. Next one. He has his passport in his hand. He has his passport in his hand. Next one. I am here now. I am here now. Next sentence. Varun needs help right now. Varun needs help right now. Next sentence. Does the sun circle the earth? Does the sun circle the earth? We can identify these sentences as in simple present tense by the verb which is used in the sentence. Children, I hope you all understood today's class, that is, what is the speciality or in which all situations we can use simple present tense. Okay, there is also a worksheet attached in the Google Classroom. You have to do that. And a listening activity is also attached in the Google Classroom. Practice it. We will meet next day. Until then, take care and bye.